Hello students, today we are going to learn about how to use article A and the. Article A and the. They are also called as article, but in third standard you are going to learn like using of A and the only. But these three letters or these three words are also called as articles. What is this? What is their name? Articles. So in this video, you are going to learn about how to use article A, article and article the. Before going to my class, I am going to ask you how many alphabets are there in English. How many alphabets are there? Yes, totally 26 alphabets are there. Am I right? 26 alphabets are there in English, in which how many are consonants and how many are vowels? Can you guess and find? Can you guess and tell me? Yes. There, from our 26 alphabets, 5 letters are vowel. How many letters are vowels? Yes, 5 letters. What are they? That is A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowels. They are vowels. And except these 5 letters, all other letters are remaining 21 letters are called as consonants. They are called as consonants only. So let's learn about how to use, where to use article A, article and article the. Okay, let's learn one by one. We'll start from article A. Okay, so the word A can be used before the singular noun which begins with consonant sound. Which begins with consonant sound. So, how many alphabets are there in English? I said 26 alphabets are there in English, but in which 21 letters are consonant. So, those words which begin with consonant sound, not consonant letters. Okay, remember that those nouns which begins with consonant sound. Before that word we use article A. That is the word A can be used before the word which begin with consonant sound, and it should be singular, and it should be singular noun only. So ma'am, what is the sound for a consonant? I hope you all have already learned about the phonic sound of all each and every letters. Am I right? For A will be A, B will be B, C will be K. So for those sounds you have to guess. For 21 letters, every 26 letters has each phonic sound. Okay, it has their phonic sound. So in which for all the consonant sound, for all the singular nouns, we use article A while pronouncing it. Okay, for example, this is pen. Okay, what is this? Pen. What is the spelling of this pen? P-E-N, pen. P-E-N. I am writing here. P-E-N, pen. Okay, this is pen. We know it. What is the first letter of this word? Yes, P. And it is a consonant letter, but also we need to check, does it gives a consonant sound? Like pen will be P. P. This P sound will be a consonant sound. So whenever we are talking about a pen, I can say that this is a pen. This is a pen. So why these articles A and the are used for? It is used to refer the nouns only. To refer the nouns. For example, I am telling this is pen. I can also say that this is a pen. I am talking about this pen means I need to use a. So article A is used before the singular noun. Remember that this is used only before the singular noun, not for the plural noun. Suppose if I have 2 pens, I can't say this is a pens. So that's the wrong way of saying it. If we are talking about only a singular noun, there we use only the article A. Okay, for the singular noun, singular things only. Okay. So and also it should begin with consonant sound. It should begin with consonant sound. So for those places we use article A. Clear? Let's learn with some example. I have written examples. I have written 2 examples here. That is a cat, a tree. A cat, a tree. Here the word cat, it's begin with consonant sound. K, K. That K sound will be a consonant. So that's why I have used article A, and it is also a singular. I am talking about only one cat. I am talking talking about only one cat and it has a consonant sound begins with. That is why I have used article A. And second example, a tree. A tree. What is the consonant sound for this word tree? It's begin with tree. Tree. The T sound only. That is the consonant sound. So here also we can use article A, and it is a singular noun only. It is a singular thing only. So remember that where do we use this article A? Yes, we use article A before the singular noun. Before the singular noun which has a consonant sound. Which has a consonant sound. Clear? Okay, let's learn about the second type. That is second one, article and. So article and article A, this both are used to refer only the singular thing. It is used to refer only the singular nouns. Remember that article A and article and, it is used to refer only the singular things or singular things only. Okay. Singular means what? It refers to only one thing. So whenever we are talking about one thing or one animal, there we use article A or and. And article A can be used before the consonant sound. So article and can be used only before the nouns which has vowel sound. Which has vowel sound. So what are vowel? A, E, I, O, U. Here what is its sounds? I can give you for these sounds. For A will be a, E will be a, we can say the A sound. For I will be E, and for O will be a sound. For U also we use a sound only. So for those A, E, A sounds we use an article and. Remember that for all these sounds of A, E, again only, for those words those sounds we use article and it refers only one object. It is used to refer only one object. Okay, so let me read out the definition. Article and is used before the singular nouns. It is used to refer singular noun which begins with vowel sound. Which begins with this vowel sound. Okay. So example, I have written an apple. So here apple start with the sound a. That a sound refers to the vowel sound. So that I have written and it is also a singular noun only. I am talking about only one apple, an apple. Okay. Next, an elephant. A sound. That A sound also refers to vowel sound only. So before the elephant I have written an elephant, an apple. Okay. Clear, children? So where do we use article and? We use article and before the singular noun, that is singular things or singular animal, which begins with the vowel sound, not only the vowel letter. If it has a vowel letters also, the sound will vary. Okay, but the sound may vary. So you have to check the sound. You have to check the sound of the words and find out whether it refers to vowel sound or consonant sound. Suppose if I refer to the vowel sound, then you can use article and. If it is referred to the consonant sound, you have to use article A. And these both are used to refer only the singular thing or singular animal. Clear with these two, children? Yes? So can you tell me if I am telling you ball? Okay, ball. So here which article you can use? A ball or an ball, because ball is a singular thing only. I am talking about one ball only. So we can use article A or article an. So ball, that is B-A-L-L, I can write here B-A-L-L, ball. For ball, for referring to ball, which article I can use? Article A or article an? Yes, I can use article A. Why? Because it's began with consonant sound, right? Ba. That ba refers to consonant sound only. Okay. So it doesn't start with or e or a sound. So that is why I can use article A to refer to the word ball. A ball, a tree, a cat. It all begins with consonant sound. Okay. Aeroplane. So here A sound. So that A sounds we can use article and. I hope you are clear with these two articles. Let's learn about article there. Why to use article there? Okay. So article there can be used for the plural nouns as well as the singular nouns. It can be used for both singular and plural nouns. But only article a and an can be used only before the singular nouns only. But article there can be used for both, like for singular nouns as well as the plural nouns. So that is the first point. And next, this article there can be used before the noun which has been introduced already. It means in a paragraph, like I am talking about an apple. In the first sentence alone, I can use an article and a word. Okay, the article a and the article an can be used only for once in a paragraph, in a sentence. If the same noun is repeating again, there we don't use article a and article an again. Instead, we use article the. Remember that article a and article an can be used only once in a paragraph. If the same noun is repeating again, we use article the to refer that things. Okay. So that is what I have written. Article the, it can be used before the plural nouns as well as the singular nouns. So normally we can use for plural nouns. For singular, if once time it has been already introduced for singular, then again next time we can use the article the. Only one time we use article a or article an, and next time in the same sentences we can use article the only. I'll give you an example now. If I am talking about a cat, I have a cat. Then again I can't say that my cat. I am telling you I have a cat. That cat is very naughty. Okay, that cat is very naughty. The cat likes milk. The cat likes milk. You can see that in the first sentence only I am using article a. In the second sentence I am using article the only. I am repeating the sentence, example sentences again. I have a cat. The cat likes milk. So here only one time I can introduce the article a. Next time if the same noun, here the noun cat is repeating again. So there I can use article the only. Okay. Clear with this, children? So where do we use article the? Before the plural nouns as well as the singular noun. First remember that it can be used for plural nouns, and then it can be used before the noun which has been introduced already. Example, the cat. Because I have written already cat here, and again I am just mentioning here the cat. The apple. See here, the apple refers to plural noun. S am I right? See, es. S is added to the word apple, so it's a plural. If it is a singular, I can say an apple, but it is a plural, so I am using the apples. Clear, children? Shall we do one more exercise for your understanding? Okay, I have written one Roman. Use a, an, or the. So it has been taken from your book back exercise only. Let's do it. Okay. Dash cow. Here you have to find out which article can be used for these nouns. Okay. If it is a plural, if it is a singular and it begins with consonant sound, which article you need to use? Yes, you need to use article a. If it is singular and it begins with vowel sound, then which article you need to use? Article an. These both are used for singular noun only. Suppose if the word is a plural, which article you will use? Yes, if it is a plural means we use the, and it has been used already means we can use the only. Okay. So let's do it. Dash cow. Here the word cow is a singular noun. So we can use article a or article an can be used here. But you have to find out whether it starts with consonant sound or vowel sound. Cow, that is a consonant sound. So which article I need to write? Yes, article a. Dash orange. That sounds will be for the vowel sound only, right? Sound refers to the vowel sound, so that there I need to use article and also this orange refers to only singular noun. So here the orange is a singular noun and as well as it begins with vowel sound, so that I have used article and. Next, dash university, dash university. You can check the word university begins with U. You can tell me, ma'am, it's a vowel letter. So can I put article and? No, that's a wrong. You have to check the vowel sound. If the sound belongs to vowel, then only we can use article and. University, the U sound belongs to consonant only. So I can use only article a university, a university. Next, boys. Boys is a plural noun. So I can use the directly without thinking. Right? The boys. Next, dash her. Dash her. Here the word her gives me a sound like ha. So that ha sound refers to the vowel sound. So this ha will be it can be used to the article and only. Okay. Next, last, house. House. That sound will belongs to consonant and it refers to only singular object. So here I can use article a. Okay, children. I hope you are clear with this exercise. Remember that when a singular noun begins with consonant sound, you have to use article a. When a singular noun begins with vowel sound, you have to use article and when plural nouns or singular nouns, when plural nouns comes in a sentence, we use article the, and when a singular nouns already has been used, there also we use article the only. Clear, children? Okay, I hope you are clear with this, the using of article a, article and article the. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.